Wait, don't scroll. If Tesla really launches this car, it could change how people in the USA and Asia think about daily driving. Imagine Tesla efficiency, pickup-style toughness, and city-friendly size all rolled into one smart EV. Lower running cost than a gasoline truck, easier to live with than a full-size SUV, and built for traffic-heavy cities. Today we're talking about the 2026 Tesla Model V, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the smartest Tesla you can buy for real-world roads. So what exactly is the Tesla Model V? Think of it as Tesla's most practical vehicle yet. Designed to sit between a crossover and a light utility vehicle, it targets people who want space, durability, and low running costs without going full size. For the USA market, the Model V is expected to start around $42,000, with higher trims going close to $55,000. In Japan, pricing is expected around 6.5 to 7.8 million yen depending on battery and drivetrain. Across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, expected pricing sits roughly between 1.9 to 2.6 million in local currency equivalents, depending on import taxes and EV incentives. This pricing puts it right in the danger zone for traditional diesel pickups and hybrid SUVs. Let's talk fuel average, or in this case, energy efficiency, because that's where the Model V really hurts gasoline and diesel vehicles. Tesla is targeting an efficiency of about 4.5 miles per kilowatt-hour in city driving and around 3.8 miles per kilowatt-hour on the highway. In simple terms, for most drivers in the USA, charging at home will cost about one-third of what you'd pay for gasoline. For Asian buyers facing high fuel prices, the savings are even bigger. Compared to a diesel pickup, you could save thousands of dollars over 5 years just on energy alone. No engine oil, no fuel filters, no spark plugs, no timing belts. That's real money staying in your pocket. Maintenance cost is another silent killer that the Model V avoids. With fewer moving parts, Tesla EVs typically cost about 40 to 50% less to maintain than combustion vehicles. Brake pads last longer because of regenerative braking. There's no transmission service, no exhaust system, and no engine cooling complexity. For USA buyers, average annual maintenance is expected under $400. In Asian markets, where labor is cheaper, that number can drop even lower. Over 5 years, ownership cost looks very attractive compared to diesel trucks and even hybrid SUVs. Now let's talk performance in simple terms. In the city, the Tesla Model V feels quick and effortless. Instant torque means no lag in traffic, no struggling at traffic lights, and smooth one-pedal driving. Merging, overtaking, and U-turns are stress-free. On the highway, it stays calm and stable. Expected 0 to 60 time is under 6 seconds for the dual-motor version, which is faster than most pickups and SUVs in this price range. Highway range is expected around 430 kilometers, while city range can stretch beyond 500 kilometers, which is more than enough for daily use and weekend trips. Ownership cost goes beyond fuel and maintenance, so let's talk insurance and parts. In the USA, Tesla insurance options help keep premiums competitive, especially with advanced safety systems. Expect insurance costs similar to a mid-size SUV, not a luxury performance car. In Asia, insurance is still catching up with EVs, but Tesla's growing presence is improving rates. Parts availability is better than people think. Tesla designs many components to last the life of the vehicle, and regional service centers in the USA, Japan, and key ASEAN countries are expanding fast. Software updates also fix issues without a workshop visit, which saves time and money. Resale value is a big question, and Tesla has a strong track record here. Used Teslas often hold value better than many traditional brands because demand stays high and running costs stay low. The Model V is expected to follow the same pattern, especially in Asia where EV adoption is accelerating and fuel prices remain unstable. A strong battery warranty and over-the-air updates help keep the vehicle feeling new even after years of ownership. Now let's compare it briefly. Against other Tesla models, the Model V sits as the more practical, utility-focused option. It may not be as sporty as a Model Y Performance, but it's more versatile and tougher for mixed road conditions. Compared to the Toyota Hilux, which dominates many Asian markets, the difference is huge. The Hilux is reliable but drinks fuel, needs regular maintenance, and feels slow in city traffic. The Model V is quieter, faster, cheaper to run, and easier to drive daily. For buyers who don't need heavy towing every day, the Tesla simply makes more sense in 2026. Why is this car smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, compact proportions make it easier to park and maneuver in tight streets. Second, instant electric torque handles stop-and-go traffic effortlessly. Third, lower running cost matters more in regions with high fuel prices and long commutes. And finally, zero tailpipe emissions make it future-proof as more cities introduce emission restrictions. So who should buy the 2026 Tesla Model V? If you want a practical vehicle that saves money every month, feels modern, handles traffic easily, and still works for family and light utility use, this is a strong choice. It's not just an EV, it's a smarter way to own a vehicle in both the USA and Asia. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Your next smart car decision might start right here.